Hi friends, I'm Imran Ali. Today our topic of discussion is powers and functions of Congress in USA system. But before moving towards the topic, let me remind you, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Introduction. In 1787, when the founding fathers of the United States of America crafted the Constitution, a constitution which still endures today, they chose for the very first article not the institution of the President or the Supreme Court, but the US Congress. The Constitution gave Congress the power to make laws for the federal government, the ability to check the actions of the President, and the responsibility of representing the American people. Composition. Congress of the United States, the legislature of the United States of America, established under the Constitution of 1789 and separated structurally from the executive and judicial branches of the government. It consists of two houses, the Senate, in which each state, regardless of its size, is represented by two senators, and the House of Representatives, to which members are elected on the basis of population. Powers and functions of the Congress. Following are the main powers and functions of the Congress. Number 1, legislative powers. Number 2, executive powers. Number 3, judicial powers. Number 4, electoral powers. Number 5, inherent powers. And number 6, amendment and investigation powers. Number 1, legislative powers. Article 1 of the Constitution states all legislative powers herein granted shall be vested in a Congress of the United States, consist of a Senate and a House of Representatives. Both are equally partners in legislative process. Legislation cannot be enacted without their consent. The Congress has powers of lawmaking regarding commerce and trade, as well as Congress can amend or modify any kind of legislation. Congress of the United States has powers to regulate monetary system of the country, and none can interfere within the powers of the Congress. Besides, Congress has the powers to control an organization of the armed forces of the country, and armed forces are also bound to obey the orders of the Congress. Number 2, executive powers. The Constitution also gives each House of Congress some special exclusive powers. Among these powers include the power to make treaties, to share the power of President of appointments, and has power to create new departments in the country. Moreover, Congress also fixes the salaries and functions of the offices and departments of the government. Number 3, judicial powers. Congress determines the laws for the composition of the Supreme Court. It determines the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Moreover, Congress can conduct proceedings of impeachment against the President, Vice President, and the Speaker. Besides, Congress may confirm the appointment of judges of the Supreme Court made by the President and can also create inferior federal courts in the country. Number 4, electoral powers. Congress meets every 4 years to count votes cast for President and Vice President. If no candidate secure absolute majority, Congress elects out of 3 securing highest votes. Number 5, inherent powers. Among the inherent powers, the Congress has power to admit new states. It has power to initiate diplomatic relations and can also make new treaties with other countries. Moreover, during the wartime, Congress may also declare war against the other country, and at the time of national crisis, Congress has emergency powers as well. These powers are inherent in national government and therefore are unlimited. Number 6, amendment and investigation. A proposal for constitutional amendment may be initiated by the Congress with the two-thirds majorities in each house or by the special convention called by the Congress. Congress may also perform investigative functions through regular standing committee and by special committee set up for this purpose. Conclusion. Congress is the legislative branch of the federal government that represents the American people and makes the nation laws. It shares powers with the executive branch led by the president and the judicial branch whose highest body is the Supreme Court of the United States. Of the three branches of the government, Congress is the only one elected directly by the people. Article 1, the longest article of the Constitution, describes congressional powers. These powers include legislative, executive, judicial, electoral, inherent, amendment, and investigation powers.